Hi, my name is Werin Kerspy. This is my cybersecurity awareness chatbot developed in C Sharp using a console application in Visual Studio. The purpose of this program is to educate users about cybersecurity topics such as phishing, password safety, and safe browsing. My program is structured using multiple classes to improve readability and maintainability. Each class has a specific responsibility. We have the program class, the voice greeting class, ASCII display, user interaction, and chatbot response. The voice greeting class handles the voice greeting functionality. It uses the SoundPlay class from system media to play a WAV file when the program starts. ASCII display. This class displays a cybersecurity themed ASCII logo. The symbol is used to preserve formatting so the design appears correctly in the console. The interaction class collects and validates user input, ensuring that the user enters a valid name before continuing. Chatbot response. This is the main logic of the chatbot. It uses conditional statements to respond to user input based on keywords such as password, phishing, and scam. I will now demonstrate my project by running it. Hello, welcome to the Cybersecurity Awareness Bot. I'm here to help you stay safe online. When the program runs, it first plays a voice greeting, then it displays the ASCII logo, and then interacts with the user through a conversational chatbot interface. For example, basically, the chatbot only identifies keywords such as password, phishing, and scams. That's the only way you can interact with the chatbot and it will give you immediate responses. The chatbot includes input validation, multiple cybersecurity topics, a typing effect, and a structured class-based design to ensure clean and maintainable code. So, in conclusion, this project demonstrates the use of C Sharp programming concepts such as classes, methods, input validation, and file handling, while also promoting cybersecurity awareness for users online. Thank you.